I know this looks super weird, but it's all gonna make sense in a couple of minutes.
Today we are going to explore the old town of Tallinn.
And we're also gonna indulge in everything good that Tallinn has to offer. And that means food,
Sweets,
drinks,
marzipan, marzipan,
and probably a lot of other stuff that we don't know right now.
I think chocolate, ice cream, chocolate.
Did we mention chocolate? I think it's gonna be a fun day.
But first things first, we are making some reservations for tomorrow. Something really interesting.
Tomorrow, yes, also the same time, 11:30. So I just made the reservation and you come tomorrow.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Now we booked something fun for tomorrow.
Spitting image. As soon as you walk into the old city, you kind of get a feeling that you're walking straight into a medieval fairy tale. So it kind of makes me want to buy a horse, rescue a princess or slay a dragon or something. So the first stop of the day is right behind you. Do you know what it is?
Yes, we know what it is. We know marzipan, marzipan. This is the oldest cafe in Tallinn, and it's really beautiful. The ceiling, you can see it's old because they kept it old, and there's so much to choose. Cakes, marzipan. We picked some tiny, small pieces. This one, the pink one, is marzipan. We have peppermint, caramel, and I don't remember what the white one is.
We ordered chocolate pavlova.
Rose-free or marzipan.
Wow.
Let's see if we can figure out what this really is. It's nougat and chocolate covered in white chocolate. So
This is creamy caramel with a hazelnut. Oh, it's so good.
last one. I think this is peppermint. Here we go. It is peppermint and it's some dark chocolate inside, really creamy dark chocolate. It's falling apart. It's really good. I think the place is called Majasmokk, and that is one of the reasons why we did those exercises before we headed out into the town this morning. Oh, so the dragon has already been slain.
We're on our way up to the Alexander Nevsky church. Just as predicted, it's raining today. Well, it's off and on and on and off. Perfect day for having a break, having a marzipan or coffee.
We made it up to the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. It's a really nice cathedral, it's really pretty, but we are so curious about who Alexander Nevsky is or was. Because in each of these Eastern European cities we visit, there is an Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. So he must have been somebody really important.
Let's get inside, have a look. Too bad we're not allowed to film. Beautiful cathedral. It's an Orthodox cathedral since there is no benches, no chairs. And I think the priest is doing the preaching while the crowd is standing up.
We are about to get into a taxi and go to the place that I've been looking forward the most to today. We are back at the brewery we were at yesterday. And the reason why we are back is that we're going to try out a bigger part of what they have to offer. And there are several other different breweries or tap rooms in the city that we could visit that we still haven't visited. But the reason why we're coming back here is that this is supposed to be the best one. So let's go.
It's a lot more people here today, and the volume is quite louder at Pohjala.
Enjoy. Cheers.
So this is the selection that we're going to try out. We got 5 different beers. I vaguely remember what they are, but none of the other guys here knows what it is. So let's try it out and see what everyone thinks. This is going to be fun. And also, we're lucky that it's only a 10 centiliter glass, because otherwise it would be a very interesting evening. We turned it into some sort of competition, so everybody should write down what kind of beer or what sort of beer they think it is. And it got really competitive really fast. So which one do you like the most?
I will probably have another one of these.
This all sounds really good, but we actually have no clue what we're doing. Okay, so we're going to tally it up. How many points did you guys have? 5 out of 5, that's good. 3 out of 5. 1 out of 5. And I'm out of contest since I picked the beers.
This is a very juicy Beyond Meat vegan burger. Wow, what a sweet, tasty Saturday it's been in Tallinn.
And tomorrow is our last full day here in Tallinn. So see you then.
Good night.